Well, we have a question here that says, the sketch below shows the graph of g of x, which is equal to negative 12x plus 12, and f of x equal to 3x squared minus 9x plus 9, and a and b are the x-intercepts of f, and c is a point of f. D is a point on G, such that CD is parallel to the y-axis. H and K are the points of intersection of F and G. All right, in the previous video, we did work out question 6.1. As we can see there, these are the solution of 6.1. We had to find the length of AB. Now, in this video, we're going to do question 6.2 that says determine the coordinates of K. Now, we can see that the question says here that K, H, and K are the points of intersection of F and G. So we can see where F and G meet, they meet over there. So now we need to find, when they say intersection, it means where the graphs are equal. So we're going to equate the two functions. We're going to make f of x equal to g of x. Now, I move the board like this. Okay, so 6.2 says we need to find the coordinate of K. Okay, so meaning we need to find the x and the y coordinate of K. So that's what they mean. I can write, we need to find K like this. Okay, we said that the fact that they intersect, we say that intersect here means that intersection of F and G means that we're going to make f of x equal to g of x. So I'm going to do, we look at the question f of x is given by, negative 12x plus 12, and I mean, that's g of x. G of x is negative 12x plus 12, and then f of x is negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 9. So we're going to equate the two functions. So I'm going to write them here. F of x is negative 3x squared minus 9x plus 30. Okay, so I want to set this equal to g of x, which is given by negative 12x plus 12. Now let's work it out. So I prefer to move the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, it's like we have like negative 12x plus 12. I mean, okay, let's just do this way. Most people do that. 3x squared minus 9x plus 30. I move the right hand side to the left, so that will become positive 12x and negative 12 equal to 0. So we can combine like terms. If we want to look here for the 3x squared, in terms of x squared, there's only one. So I'm going to write negative 3x squared. Now the term with negative x, there are two here. That would make positive 3x, and the constant term negative 30 and negative 12, this makes a positive 18 equal to 0. Now, here again, we can notice that each term here is a multiple of 3. So I can just, it's a multiple of 3, so it's also a multiple of negative 3. I can divide the whole equation by negative 3. So I divide here by negative 3, by negative 3, by negative 3 also, by negative 3 there. Now this will be x squared minus x, not one, but minus 6 equal to 0. Then, because there is no coefficient in front of the x squared, I can just write x here in the bracket, okay, equal to 0. Now, what I need to do, I will consider my last term, which is negative 6. Okay, I'm going to write here negative 6. Now, let's first list all the factors of negative 6. They are in ascending order preferably. They are 1 and 6, 2 and 3. So now, which couple in the list of the factors of -6 will, which couple of in the list of the factors will make a sum equal to -1, the constant, the coefficient of the middle term? Okay. If I see with 1 and 6, we will never make a sum equal to 1 to -1, but with 2 and 3, yes. If we do +2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 makes -1. And of course, +2 times -3 make -6. So the correct couple is +2 and -3. Therefore, I'm going to say here, let me just put like this. So therefore, x equal to -2 or x equal to +3. Okay. How did I get it? Maybe I need to write it down. The property says, if you look over here, there's a property in math that says if you have like A times B equal to 0, this means that A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. So this means we're going to set x plus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 3 also equal to 0. Now I'm going to do x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. This means that x is equal to -2 or x equal to +3. Now let's look at the graph. Let's look at the graph here. The graph, we're looking for the coordinate of k. Okay, k is over there. We see that k is on the fourth quadrant. Remember, in the fourth quadrant, the values of x is also positive, okay? Because values of x are like positive on the first quadrant, negative on the third quadrant, negative on the second quadrant, negative on the third quadrant, and positive on the fourth quadrant. So we're going to take the positive value of x, because the negative value of x will be obviously the coordinate of y of h that we didn't ask us to find, okay? But it's happened that we find it when we're looking for the coordinate of k. You can see over here, therefore, you can say therefore, the coordinate of k is just 3, and we found 3. We need to find its y coordinates. So the x coordinate is 3. So we want to take -2 here because this is the coordinate of y. Maybe before I write, I need to find the y coordinate of k now. So we're going to use I'm gonna write here. This is the coordinate, the x coordinate of k. Then to find the y coordinate, we're going to sub the value of 3, x is equal to 3, to any of the equation, okay? Because k lies on f, lies also on g. So I'm gonna select, I can sub it over here or sub it there, but on g it's gonna be easier for me to find the answer. No matter where you sub it, you're going to get the correct answer. So I'm gonna sub 3 on g of x, okay? So say, therefore, I'm gonna say g of x is given by -12x plus 12, okay? So which is g of x is y equal to -12x plus 12. So here I am going to sub in the value of x, okay? X is 3. So y will be, if we sub this in the calculator, we're going to get -24. So then we can say, therefore, k is 3 -24. Thank you.